Alex, say good morning. It's not cold. It's not cold. We're gonna make a video. Your first video.
I don't want to be in video.
You're gonna be in video.
I don't want to be in video.
You have to be in video. The only days we film are rainy days because we don't have any times on the next day. So we have to make a video today. You want to be in videos. Alex is just learning how to window clean. So we're switching out her Sorbo Squeegee. Do you like talking to the camera as if someone's there? Say hi to all the peoples.
You do this when you're by yourself?
Yeah, I have to do this when I'm by myself.
So like people look at you like a crazy person?
Yeah, that's part of it. You have to be a little bit weird and crazy. People look at you like you're bonkers. Alex, what do you love about window cleaning? Not answering any questions right now. Guess you don't like anything about it. Wow.
I'm trying to think.
A little too early for you, huh? Yep, okay. Well, anyways.
I like to see the dogs at houses.
Great answer. So it's Monday morning. It's a rainy day. I've realized that the only time I'm making videos are on rainy days. We're really just too busy when it's ever nice out to really make a great video. So what I want to talk today about is my favorite squeegee. So it used to be that I love Sorbo, and I've kind of changed that up over the past year. I really enjoy the Pulex Alumax as far as my favorite commercial squeegee. I just use it in an 18-inch. It just works perfectly as far as being a slim, I would call it a slim wide body channel. Just I don't really think it's that much skinnier than say like the Super Channel or Sorbo. Sorbo weighs less. Super Channel is definitely a little bit wider as far as just being a big squeegee. And then see what other wide bodies out there. Unger Ninja doesn't have the big old clips that the Unger Ninja has. Let's take a look at it. So here it is. This is the Pulex Alumax. Very simple channel. The only thing that sucks is the handle here is a fixed handle, as in it does swivel, but this part you cannot unclip and like change where the handle's at, and then you have to unscrew it to do anything with that. So this one side's good, so I don't need to put that one in. But you know what? Sometimes when my squeegees sit in my truck in the hot sun, I find that they get worn out. I don't let them sit out. I think the heat wears them out. Someone's going to bring a brand new one in for today. But I did a top 5 rubber video. Let's see, some videos back, and definitely go check that out. I always try to use Ettore rubber as much as possible. I've used the Pulex rubber in here, the 18-inch, but it is just a little too short. And I like about that much rubber coming out the side, so it just hits the seal perfectly enough. And I'll pretty much use this all day on everything. This and a 14-inch brass Ettore Leggies handle. Let's get some towels and we'll get going on this job. Pulex channel that I was explaining as far as you can't really use either handles or else the angles kind of messed up. So if you take an Unger Ninja and lock it on there, you'll see the difference in where it sits. It gives it too much of an angle, so when you have it on a pole, it's really super hard to close out. You get a lot of half ovals with even the best technique. So I would always suggest just getting this Pulex wide body handle. I was going to try to find a Serbo one here to show you this Serbo. So, and then with the Serbo handle, you get that angle. So you see the gradients of angles on all three of these. I would just use the Pulex one. That would be your best angle.